out of here. Anybody else? All right. So turn around and look at all your sisters behind you. And they can all pretty much vouch for what I'm going to say. For you to be on this ride today, 60-mile large group ride, right? But doing it in the wind. And there were some fierce winds out there. I almost felt like I was in Kansas. Where's Michelle? Where's that? Yeah, remember that? You and I from Kansas? That was a shit show. Sorry, had to say it. But today, Illinois was like Kansas, and we had those strong wind gusts. And going around the curves and that, it was challenging, you know, turning down the other intersection or whatever. But for you girls to pull this off, we applaud you. So now, oh, we just had another. Oh, you were too shy. Come on, you were too shy. Okay, so right now you're officially a badass biker woman. Right? Okay. So, congratulations to you. You can take on the world now. Okay? Alright. So, we're going to draw a couple numbers here. So, get your tickets out.